This banana cake recipe is very delicious, very moist. It's 10 over 10 and is given. Hi everyone, welcome back again to Debs' Delight. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make the moistest banana cake or bread recipe ever. So please keep watching and let's get straight into it. Of course, you need the king of our ingredients, which is some overripe banana. You all know that the economy is very hard now, so please do not throw your overripe bananas out. Make it into this delicious banana bread and you will thank me later. I'll peel it, transfer it into a bowl and start mashing until it is smooth. If there are some lumps remaining, that's fine. I like mine that way anyway, so that's perfectly fine. To this I'll add some lemon, which will amplify the taste of our banana. Put it aside and allow it to sit for some time before using it. Now into another bowl I'll transfer some flour, which I'm going to sieve so any little bits in there is not added to our banana bread. To this I'll also be adding my baking powder and baking soda, which I'll also sieve, as it normally contains these little lumps and you don't want it in there. I'll also be adding some cinnamon powder, enough of it, and it's so nice in your banana bread. Some salt, mix it all together and set it aside. Now to combine our wet ingredients into another bowl, I'll add some melted butter, some white and brown sugar and mix it all together to combine. I love adding both the white and brown as it adds a unique taste to my banana bread. It's optional and you can do that or leave it, okay? I'll then be adding my mashed banana and mix it all together to combine. Today's shout out goes to Mommy P's Kitchen. Thank you so much for the support. Please let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout. Now I've added my beaten egg and also some vanilla extract, some buttermilk, which is so good with banana bread. Yum, you definitely have to add it. I'll mix it all to combine and then add my dry ingredients. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for being here. Please be kind to subscribe if you haven't done so and join the family grow, okay? Thank you. After adding your dry ingredients, please mix it carefully. You don't want to be too rigorous, as it's one of the secrets to getting the moistest banana cake ever. And once it falls together like so, please stop mixing. Please, okay? Promise you will stop, or else your banana bread will not be as moist. Now into my baking tray, I will coat it with some butter, transfer my mixed butter or mixed banana bread base, if I should say. Pop it into my preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Bake it for about 40 to 50 minutes and voila, our banana cake is ready. Now let's do the toothpick test. Insert a toothpick and if it comes out dry, your banana bread is ready. And now let's do the cutting test. Look at that. It baked beautifully. It smells amazing and oh my, it's definitely a must try. As I always mention, I'll leave the quantities of ingredients in the description box, so be sure to check it and follow the same recipe and you will get the best banana cake ever. You will not make your banana cake any other way. This is the way to go. And just look at that moistness. So delicious. Your entire family will love this one. If you're still here, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you all. I appreciate the support so much. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button as well as the little bell so that whenever I post a video, you will be instantly notified. To my returning subscribers, I love you all so much. See you in my next one and it's bye for now.